So this is a video to show you how to do the basic functions on your audio portion of your system. This is your home screen on your touch panel. So you come to the touch panel, you click the audio icon. It will give you a selection of sources that are relative to the room that you're standing in with the touch panel. The touch panel's in. So the first row, the top row here, is indicated by player A, B, C, and D. Those are output streams from the music server that is in your system. So you can click on one of these and it will bring up an interface that will, once we have some music loaded on there for you, you'll be able to, we'll sync it up with your iTunes, so you'll have your library available to search much like you would within iTunes, so by artists and so forth. But there's also a way to, and this is maybe the easiest way for you to get music until we get that loading done, is you can AirPlay to each of these players. So we have player A, B, C, and D, and you can AirPlay to them using your iPad, say, and bring up the music that you want to listen to, start it playing, and then you're probably familiar with how to AirPlay things, but if not, then you do the scroll up to bring up that sort of quick access speedy menu on the iOS devices. It has your airplane mode and a variety of other functions, flashlight, and the quick access to your clock radio clock. Anyway, on that menu screen on the iOS device, there's a button down towards the lower right that says Airplay, and if you press that button, it will pull up another submenu on which you'll see player A, player B, player C, and player D. I should know that you do need to be on the Wi-Fi for that, so I'll make sure that you have all that information for what the access is, password-wise and such. But then, if you're on the Wi-Fi, you will see these players come up. So you just choose the stream that you want to AirPlay to. We'll just stick with player A for the time being. And as soon as you start to AirPlay to that, it will take over this, and you'll have an indication on the screen that says Airplaying from such and such device. Then you'll be able to control volume here, up and down, and then there's a mute button. Again, this is relative to your local room. And that's that first part. I'll do another video on multi-room audio. Thanks.